Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sudden plan going on a ride. I'll be posting about it. There'll be a vlog, so don't worry. Right now, waiting for a friend who's late. So I'll see you guys on the road. Guys, welcome back. Good morning. As you can see, it has rained quite heavily last night and even today morning. So I'm just headed out for a small ride towards Igatpuri, and it feels really good to be on the road after all this time. It was a sudden plan made, and me and my friend, as you can see, is right ahead on his Himalayan. Ajinkya. So me and Ajinkya are headed towards Igatpuri, and as and how things go, we'll unfortunately today I noticed one thing. I started from home, and while I was on my way, my speedometer, the just a second. The glass on the speedometer has cracked. It's a very unfortunate thing. Actually, I saw it in the. You can see it in the dark. Actually, you can't see it now. But it's cracked. Actually, it's like cracked from inside. So this and this both are cracked, and it's really unfortunate. I don't know why that has happened. I'll be contacting Royal Enfield for this issue. And good thing the bike is in warranty and stuff. Maybe they could replace this for me, because this seems really bad. Yeah, spending so much of money behind the bike and then ultimately getting this sort of issues is really too much. So guys, ride is good. I mean, but the roads you have to be a little careful, because people are literally driving like nuts. Especially the truck fellows, they are crazy. Anyway, the ride is good. I'm still on the road heading straight for Igatpuri. It's fun. Good to be back on the road. It feels good. And overall a good experience as of now. So guys, we have taken a small break. Ajinkya is taking all the photos, and there are around 54 kilometers to go, straight road. So after a while we'll be stopping maybe for a cup of tea or maybe some snacks on the road. The road is good, as you can see, and well, it's a good day to ride, actually. Good day to ride. So back on the road, I'll see you guys there. So guys, we have taken a small break. This is Fountain Dhaba, है ना ये? Okay. So we've taken a small break at Fountain Dhaba. We had a cup of tea and नाश्ता तो कुछ किया नहीं है हम लोग ने, except for some चिवड़ा. क्या था वो? I'll just show you. This is the चिवड़ा that we had. Little bit. Thanks to Ajinkya. And bus, now we will start back on the road. I think और कितना किलोमीटर है? I think around 30 odd kilometers, 30 odd kilometers to go to Igatpuri. And yeah, that's it. I think then that's it. And the weather is good. We had a little bit of rain, and so we made this immediate stop. It has stopped raining now, so we'll be on the road, and I'll see you guys on the road. What a road, guys! Look at the road. Aren't you guys feeling it? I'm so happy. Like, I mean, I'm
Guys, we are at Shahpur Gurudwara. Today the plan was basically to come to the Gurudwara, pay our respects and pray for everybody. Everybody's going through a lot. Corona has made it terrible actually, and of course there are not many people allowed, and all the norms are being followed. Social distancing, everything is being followed, and we have arrived here at it is 12:08 in the afternoon, and we will be paying our respects, going inside the Gurudwara. I'll be recording a little bit here and there, and let's go inside. So guys, we are done praying over here, paying our respects, and Ajinkya is also finished. We both had good cup of tea, and it was very good, very peaceful. We felt very nice coming over here, and it is. I mean, people should come and pay their respects once in a while. I mean, not make a crowd, but great place to come, and it's just what 90 odd kilometers away from Mumbai, 1.5 hour from where I stay, and so it's quite good. So now we are headed from here back home, and me and Ajinkya are going to take our bikes for a wash, and I think I'll see you directly at the place where we are going to have the bike wash. So see you guys there. So guys, as promised, I am here in Auto Clinic, here to get the bike washed. Right behind me is where I'm getting the bike washed. I'll speak with the owner as well. His name is Omesh. So this is Omesh. He's the owner of Auto Clinic. Hi Omesh.
Hi.
So Omesh owns this place, and it's in Mahim, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's in Mahim
Near Shivaji.
and near Shivaji Park. And if you guys want to come in, get your bikes washed, polished, serviced, then this is the place for you guys, because I have come. I am very happy with the bikes cleaning, because I was here for the washing of the bike. I'll show you the bike, guys. So this is how the bike looks. All spick and span. So now I'm off home. I'll be going home now, and so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. So signing off. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye. See you guys.